Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praise to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for the blessing and the grace that enable me to accomplish this proposal with the title The Effect of Entrepreneurship Knowledge and Social Media on Interest in Entrepreneurship Student at Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. Thanks to Mr. Roni Fasla, SPD MM, as a coordinator of the Education of Office Administration Study Program. Thanks to Professor Dr. Henry Erianto MM and Ms. Rizky Firdausi Ramadhania SEMSM as my advisory lecturer. Before starting the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Iva Karima Sanusi from Education of Office Administration A 2019, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. Chapter 1. Background. Entrepreneurship is an important determinant of economic growth and has a strong correlation with the progress of a country. Indonesia is one of the countries that falls into middle income trap category, which is the condition in which a country achieves a middle income level but cannot get out of that level to become a developed country. Based on the data from the World Bank from 2017 to 2021, Indonesia is still trapped in middle income trap. The data show that Indonesia is in lower middle income position and is still far from approaching middle income or high income. To get out of lower middle income and become a high income country, the role of all business activity is needed to increase economic growth to a higher level. Economists argue that the economic resilience of a country can be seen from the ratio of the number of entrepreneurs to the population. Indonesia currently has an entrepreneurship ratio of 3.47%. With these figures, Indonesia is still very limited in the number of entrepreneurs and lag far behind other ASEAN countries such as Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand that have reached the figure above 4%. To the Indonesian goal of increasing the entrepreneurship ratio, the younger generation, especially college students, have a great opportunity to contribute in it. University of Jakarta is one of the universities that supports students in increasing interest in entrepreneurship by providing them with entrepreneurship education. Unfortunately, these efforts have not been optimal in increasing interest in entrepreneurship because in the end, it makes graduates not have an entrepreneurial spirit and only want to be employees or workers. Researchers have conducted pre-research on 50 students at the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. Pre-research shows that 66% of students choose to become employee or workers. It can be concluded that students of the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta have low interest in entrepreneurship even though they have received entrepreneurship courses. To find out the factors that influence the interest in entrepreneurship in the student, the researchers conducted pre-research. Pre-research show that factors with the highest percentage influencing interest in entrepreneurship are entrepreneurship knowledge at 89.3% and social media at 90.7%. Based on the pre-research result, the researchers is interested in conducting research with the title The Effect of Entrepreneurship Knowledge and Social Media on Interest in Entrepreneurship Student at Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. Research question. 1. Is there a direct effect of entrepreneurship knowledge on interest in entrepreneurship student at Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta? 2. Is there a direct effect of social media on interest in entrepreneurship student at Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta? 3. Is there a direct effect of entrepreneurship knowledge and social media simultaneously on interest in entrepreneurship students at Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta? Research purposes. 1. Knowing and analyzing the direct effect of entrepreneurship knowledge on interest in entrepreneurship student at Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. 2. Knowing and analyzing the direct effect of social media on interest in entrepreneurship student at Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. 3. Knowing and analyzing the direct effect of entrepreneurship knowledge and social media simultaneously on interest in entrepreneurship student at Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. Theoretic benefits of the research can provide insight about entrepreneurial interests that are influenced by entrepreneurial knowledge and social media, and being a source of additional information and reference for future researchers to examine similar issues. Practical benefits of the research for students of FEUNJ can provide usefulness for students to understand the importance of interest in entrepreneurship. For researchers, develop entrepreneurial skills that will increase the career opportunities of researchers. For university, being a solution in increasing interest in entrepreneurship among students at the State University of Jakarta. Chapter 2: Supporting Theories, Entrepreneurship Concept. According to Ayunisi 2021, Alam 2016, Suryana 2014, and Yohana et al. 2021, entrepreneurship is a process or a person's attitude to identify, create, and implement business opportunities with the aim of making a profit. Interest in entrepreneurship. According to Anggal et al. 2021, Sulistiani 2019, Priyanto et al. 2021, Ariyanti 2018, and Rahwana 2023, interest in entrepreneurship is an interest, desire, and willingness of a person to carry out business activities with creative and innovative ideas without fear of taking risks. Entrepreneurship knowledge. According to Sulistiani 2019, Aini and Oktavani 2020, Suratno et al. 2020, Mambo et al. 2019, and Wayuni et al. 2022, entrepreneurship knowledge is an understanding and knowledge of entrepreneurship related to how to create, develop, and manage a business. Social media. According to Aputra et al. 2022, Basukian Gracia 2022, Widiati and Warganegara 2022, Suratno 2020, and Dahal 2021, social media is an application or website that facilitates user interaction and participation through various forms of social connection and networks to interact with consumers, build brands, market products or services, and carry out marketing and sales activities. Theoretical frameworks and hypotheses. X1 to Y. According to Suryaningsih and Agustin 2020, Setyastanto et al. 2022, Indriani and Subowo 2019, there is a positive and significant effect of entrepreneurship knowledge on interest in entrepreneurship. X2 to Y. According to Razali et al. 2021, Hussein 2022, Nirwana et al. 2021, there is a positive and significant effect of social media on interest in entrepreneurship. X1 and X2 to Y. According to Eperahayu and Sulistyawati 2022, Sari et al. 2021, Satrio Nugroho and Tomo 2022, there is a positive and significant effect of entrepreneurship knowledge and social media on interest in entrepreneurship simultaneously. From the theoretical frameworks and hypotheses, there is the intervariable constellation. Research approach quantitative. Time February to June 2023. Place at Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. Population all undergraduate students at Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta, class of 2019, totaling 423 students. Sample totaling 205 students. Instrument development, interest in entrepreneurship, indicators, interest, responsibility, creative and innovative. Entrepreneurship knowledge indicators, ability, analysis of business opportunities, dare to take a risk. Social media indicators, participation, openness, skill using social media. Data collection technique, using a survey method by distributing questionnaires to respondents online using the help of website type forms. Data analysis technique. The data analysis technique in this study use SPSS or Statistical Package for Social Science version 26. The statistical analysis that will be carried out in this study includes the normality test, linearity test, multicollinearity test, heteroscedasticity test, multiple regression analysis test, F&T hypothesis test, and the coefficient of determination test. Data description. The objects that were the focus on this research were students of the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta, in the 2090 class with total sample 205 students. The characteristic of respondent based on gender can be presented in the following table. There were 140 female respondents with a percentage of 68.3% and 65 male respondents with a percentage of 31.7%. The characteristic of respondent based on the study program can be presented in the following table. The results are in accordance with the sample data that has been explained in Chapter 3. Validity and reliability test. The purpose of the validity test is to determine the level of validity of each item statement on the indicators measured in the study. The researchers tested the instrument on 30 students to find out valid statement items. An instrument is said to be valid if the value of R count in the study is greater than R table. From the result of testing the validity of the trial instrument, it can be seen that all 15 statements of each variable have a valid status because the value of R count more than R table is 0.361. After conducting the validity test, the reliability test is carried out by looking at the Cronbach alpha value obtained and comparing it to the level of significance. It is declared reliable if an instrument has a Cronbach alpha value more than 0.70. From the reliability test table show that the Cronbach alpha value obtained is more than 0.70, so that the test instrument on the three variables is said to be reliable. Normality test. In the table of the result of the one sample Kolmogorov-Smirnov normality test above, a significance value of 0.200 more than 0.05 is obtained, so that it can be concluded that the study sample is normally distributed. In the p-plot image, it can be seen that the data is spread around the diagonal line and also follows the diagonal direction, so it is concluded that the research data is normally distributed. Linearity test. The linearity value obtained is 0.000 lower than 0.05. Furthermore, the results show a deviation from linearity value of 0.776 more than 0.05, so that variable x1 with variable y has a linear relationship. The linearity value obtained is 0.000 lower than 0.05. Furthermore, the results show a deviation from linearity value of 0.909 more than 0.05, so that variable x2 with variable y has a linear relationship. Multicollinearity and heterokedasticity test. From the result multicollinearity test, it can be seen that the tolerance value for both variable is 0.636 more than 0.1. Then the result obtained for the VEF value of the two variables were 1.573 lower than 10. Based on the result obtained, it can be concluded that there were no symptoms of multicollinearity. Based on the result above heterokedasticity test, it can be seen that the value of significance on entrepreneurial knowledge variable is 0.581 more than 0.05. Next, on the value of significance on social media variable is 0.607 more than 0.05. It shows that the variables of entrepreneurial knowledge or x1 and social media or x2 with the variable interest in entrepreneurship or y, there are also no symptom of heterokedasticity. Hypothesis test F-test. Based on the result obtained, entrepreneurship knowledge or x1 and social media x2 have simultaneously influence on entrepreneurial interest, with the acquisition of F count is 13.217 is more than is more than for F table 3.04. Hypothesis test, t-test. The result of the acquisition of t-value of variable x1 above can be seen that the t-value obtained is 2.698 more than t-table 1.971. So it can be concluded that variable x1 partially has an influence on variable y. The result of the acquisition of the t-table of the variable x2 above can be seen that the t-value obtained is 1.861 more than t-table 1.971. So it can be concluded that variable x2 partially has no influence on variable y. Discussion. Hypothesis 1. According to Suryanisi and Agustin 2020, Setyasanto et al. 2022, and Indriani and Subowo 2019, there is a positive and significant direct effect of entrepreneurship knowledge on interest in entrepreneurship in students based on the result of t-count of 2.698 more than t-table of 1.971. Hypothesis 2. According to Prasetyo 2020, K. Wahyuni et al. 2021, and Nirwana et al. 2021, there is a direct positive and significant effect of social media on interest in entrepreneurship in students based on the result of t-count of 1.861 lower than t-table of 1.971. Hypothesis 3. According to Epe Rahayu and Sulistyowati 2022, Sari et al. 2021, and Satrio Nugroho and Tomo 2020, there is a positive influence between entrepreneurship knowledge and social media on interest in entrepreneurship simultaneously, based on the result of F count of 13.217 more than F table of 3.04. Conclusion. 1. There is a positive and significant direct effect of entrepreneurship knowledge on entrepreneurial interest in students. 2. There is a positive and significant direct effect of social media on interest in entrepreneurship in students. 3. There is a positive influence between entrepreneurship knowledge and social media on entrepreneurial interest simultaneously. Research limitation. The interest in entrepreneurship as a dependent variable in this research is not only influenced by the entrepreneurial knowledge factor and the social media factor as an independent variable. The sample used for this research are still limited. Researchers can explain the result in a deeper, more complex way. Recommendation. This research is not a longitudinal study, so if the next researchers will examine the same variable at the same location with the same object, the result obtained will be different from this study. If the next researchers want to use the same variables as this study, the researchers suggest adding other variables in the hope of increasing the quality of the research compared to previous research. So there is about my thesis. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.